Welcome to our video on the world of latex leather, where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Leather fashion has been making waves, combining the glossy finish of latex with the luxurious feel of leather for an unforgettable look. In this video, we'll explore various styles and how they can suit different occasions and personalities. So, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching. We'll take a closer look at the details that make these dresses unique. The shine that catches the light, the smooth texture, and the way they move with the body. Whether you're dressing up for a special event, a night out, or just love to turn head with your style, leather dresses are a statement worth making. Get ready to discover how to embrace this bold fashion trend. Let's dive in and find the perfect leather dress for you. Leather dresses are more than just clothing, they are a bold statement of confidence and individuality. Their unique glossy appearance gives off a sleek, futuristic vibe, perfect for those who love to stand out. But what makes this dress so special? Let's break it down. Let's talk about the look and feel. Leather is known for its high-shine surface that gleams under any light, creating a striking visual effect. The material hugs the body, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos.